Hi, this is Chris Wall at The Wall Network. Today we're going to do a little PowerShell, or specifically PowerCLI, within a GUI called PowerGUI. It's the script editor that I prefer and have been using for many years. And in this case, I'm going to show you kind of a trick to help you start with PowerCLI, or in case you're in a bind and you don't remember the command, and this can be a lot of times faster than Google. It's basically a way we can figure out what our choices are when we are working with a host or a cluster or any kind of variable. So to begin with, I've gone ahead and started a connection to my vCenter server, and I've commented that out so it doesn't try to reconnect as I execute the script here moving forward. And let's say that I wanted to manipulate my host somehow. Let's say that in this particular scenario I wanted to find out when a host had booted. It's a pretty simple request, and if we want to do this for a ton of hosts, this little script would save us a lot of time. So what I typically advise, if you don't know where that piece of information lives and you're not going through the online manual of the extensions, is just go ahead and grab, I use a throwaway variable called item, so go ahead and grab the host information. We'll get the VM host information for host number 2. Just going to do a wildcard for 2. Grab that and put it into a variable, and this will give you a kind of quick reference guide when you're using a script editor like PowerGUI, where we can expand this kind of throwaway variable and look and see what the options are. So if I click the arrow here on the right, it's going to expand all the bits of data that live within this variable in this hash table. And I could go into the extension data for the host. And here we see various pieces of information that you can get from the host. Runtime sounds about right. That's what I'm looking for, is some runtime status. And there we go. We got the boot time is right there. So now that I know the path that I have to take through item, into extension data, into runtime, and finally call boot time, I can programmatically call that with item.extension data. And you'll see PowerGUI is nice enough. It'll go ahead and build a little menu here of choices. As I type the period stating that I want to do something with this variable, it goes ahead and gives me all the options. I can scroll through information with the white card with the yellow hand, or actions with the flying purple square. So I want the extension data. Hit tab to complete it. Another period to go lower, and we need runtime. Tab to complete that. I'll finish it with boot time, and I'll go ahead and select that and execute that piece of the script. And there we go. We see that that host, ES62, was last booted Friday, November 16th at that time. And at this point forward, I could kind of grab everything past here and attach it to the real variable or real script that I'm calling, or I could do a for each item where I'm scrolling through a large amount of hosts and I want to get the boot time. Whatever you need to do, the point is this gives you an easy way to access that information and find it if you don't know where it lives. Thank you for watching this video. If you found the information valuable, make sure to click the like button. And if you'd like to see more videos on my channel, please become a subscriber. For more articles on technical solutions and home lab building, achieving certifications, and so on, head on over to wallnetwork.com. Thank you.